Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Minnie here, and in today's video I thought of sharing with you all my manicure and pedicure session which I indulged in at home itself. This is done by using all the ingredients that were readily available. So I thought that I'll take you guys through my experience, and I thought it will be again fun to shoot it because the last time I shared my skin and hair care routine with you all, you guys responded really well. A lot of queries came along and a lot of people responded through DMs on Facebook and Instagram and also WhatsApp. So it was really motivating. I hope आप लोग को इंस्पिरेशन मिले और मोटिवेशन मिले कि आप लोगों को भी थोड़ा बहुत सेल्फ केयर में इंडल्ज करना चाहिए, because obviously I think that just like me, everybody is doing their household chores by themselves, and our feet and our hands are really suffering a lot because काफ़ी dry और itchy हो रहे हैं. Again and again we're washing our hands because we are washing the dishes, we are cleaning the house. So definitely our feet and our hands require that pampering. So yes, without taking this introduction too long and further, let's start with the video.
Okay people, so we will first begin by removing the nail polish that already exists on the hands and on the feet. I'm using Kara nail remover wipes here. I prefer nail remover wipes recently more than the nail polish removers because I feel that these are much more convenient than the removers. So I'm gonna take like one wipe each for the hands and for the feet. Once the nail polish is removed, I feel so relaxed because the chipped nails really look so awful and hideous. Alright, so now it's time to begin with the actual process. So I have taken hot water in a tub, like it should be lukewarm because the moment I kept my feet in this hot water, it was really hot. So be careful when you do that, and just be very gentle and patient with it. It will only get better. So I've put like 1 tablespoon of salt and some body wash into the tub. So you need to keep your feet and your hands soaked in this hot water for at least 10 minutes. This will just help in loosening the nails, and it will be very easy to just shape them later and file them, chip them. And now I'm going to begin doing that. So I've used this manicure set which I had from the brand Miniso, and yeah, so I'm going to just begin chipping my nails using a nail cutter, and also I'm going to use a filer to just file them. Once you've done filing your nails, it's time to remove the hard layer of the skin, and it's time to remove the calluses and push back the cuticles. So I accidentally got myself a cut while pushing away the cuticles, and some blood started coming. So please be very careful and gentle when you're doing it. And you can use the other end of the filer to push away the cuticles in case you don't have like many tools or a proper manicure set. Now once you are done filing your nails and they are in the shape that you desire, it's time to exfoliate your hands and your feet. So I have taken some sugar in a bowl and I'm just taking few drops of this rosemary essential oil into it. I also sprinkled few drops of water just so that it becomes easy for me to rub it on my hands and also on my feet. I feel that sugar is such a natural good exfoliator which is readily available at everybody's home. It just helps in removing the dead skin layer, and it also just provides that natural healthy glow to your skin and also moisturizes your skin. Don't forget to clean and rub gently the back of your foot, because that really tends to get so dry and also cracks sometimes a lot. So I'm using a pumic stone to just scrub it off and remove the hard layer from my feet. Make sure that you give at least 10 minutes to each and every step of this procedure, because it really requires like lot of care. And yeah, once I'm done with the scrubbing, I'm going to just rinse it all off from my feet and hands with water. Now we come to a very important step, which is to moisturize your hands, your palm, your back of the hand and your feet. So I'm using a hand cream, and for the feet I'm going to just take 1 drop of parachute oil and rub it gently on my feet. We come to the final step, which is applying a nail polish. You can choose whichever color you like. I'm using a chrome nail polish from Nykaa, and I am not applying any base coat. I'm just going to apply like 1 coat of this polish and I'll be good. So this is the final result. This is how it looks after the entire manicure and pedicure session at home. Just a very general and basic advice and tip to you all girls, which is you should always try to match the nail polish on your hands and on your feet. I think it looks more sober and decent. Finally, just wearing a foot cover, because I feel that it really helps in keeping the pedicure last longer. So yeah, done.
So this is how I did my manicure and pedicure at home. I hope you all enjoyed watching it, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please help me grow guys. I really want to get this family growing. And yes, अगर ये video अच्छा लगा then don't forget to like and share it with your friends and family. Also please let me know in the comments that how do you indulge in self-care these days. What are you guys doing to just pamper yourself? Doing some sort of hair spa, doing some sort of skincare, what all are you doing? Please share in the comments. I'll be looking forward to reading your comments. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you all are taking good care of yourselves, staying at home, eating good home cooked food, and yeah, just enjoying with your family and your loved ones. So please take care. Thank you so much for watching, and that's it from my side. Lots of love. Bye.